Look around you. Are the lights on? Is a computer plugged in? Did you ride in a car or bus today? All of these things are using something very special: energy. Energy is what makes things move, light up, heat up, or make sound. We use energy every single day, often without even thinking about it. When you turn on a light, you're using electric energy. That energy makes the light bulb shine so you can see. When you cook food on a stove, you're using heat energy. Heat warms up the food, so it's tasty and safe to eat. When you ride in a car or bus, the engine uses fuel energy to move. That's what helps the wheels turn and the vehicle go down the road. When you play music on a speaker or sing into a microphone, you're using sound energy. That energy helps us hear. Even when you play outside, your body uses energy from food to run, jump, and climb. And when you feel the sun warming your face, that's energy too. Light and heat energy from the sun. So where does this energy come from? Some comes from electricity, some from the sun, some from food, and some from fuel. We use all of these to help us live, work, and play every day. Energy is all around us, helping us do everything from turning on the lights to having fun outside.